Student, good morning. Today we will start a separate chapter in accountancy standard 12. First, we start the partnership account. Before that, we have started that is sole proprietorship accounts. That is prepared by a single person to know about the profit and loss of this business concern. But when two or more persons are involved in a particular business, then they want to know their performance of the business concern. So, they will prepare the partnership account to know about the own status or own financial status of the business concern in partnership firm. Each and every partners need to know about the investment procedures and his performance and business performance also. So, a partnership account should be opened. That is prepared by the firm, partnership firm, to know about the performance of the whole partnership performance in accounting procedure. Accounts में total benefits क्या मिलेगा, then जानने के लिए ये separate partnership accounts should be prepared as like sole proprietorship business. Okay, so partnership account will be opened to know about the performance of partners benefit. Here all partners are bound to prepare or know about the agreement. As per the agreement, that business will be continued. So, as per that agreement, the accounts also prepare, and after preparation of accounting system in partnership, then we know that the profit or loss those have generated in this business, that will be distributed among that business, among the business partners according to their agreement. So, one agreement should be passed, that is known as partnership deed. Clear? This accounting procedure will follow as per the agreement made by the partners. First of all, in partnership account में various types of procedure will be followed during preparation of books of accounts in the firm. First, we will calculation of a partnership, new partnership account. First, we will prepare or calculate the calculation of a new profit sharing ratio or calculation of profit sharing ratio. As per their agreement, that profit or loss will be distributed. And second, we will prepare the revaluation account. Revaluation account that will be prepared when during the reconstruction of the firm, during the admission of the firm, and during the death of the firm, clear? And retirement of the firm, retirement of the partner. So revaluation account is open only during the reconstitution of the firm and admission of a partner and retirement of the partner or death of the partner in the partnership firm. Clear? This account is open only to know the assets and liability new value. Revalue means again you value that assets and liabilities, whether that value is increase or decrease, that will be shown in books of account. Clear? Then, जो revaluation account result आएगा, that will be distributed among the old partners according to their agreed ratio. Then next one, we will open the partners capital account. Clear? Partners capital account is opened only to know the partners performance, how much they have invested, what are the benefits got from that partnership firm, and what are the penalties or any other things given by the partner to the partnership firm, that will be written in the partners capital account. Then partners capital account open के बाद we will prepare क्या ना balance sheet. Balance sheet is the final result. It shows the position of the partnership firm. All partners are involved here. They have invested their capitals in the partnership firm, and at the end of the period, we know that our position क्या है. ये balance sheet prepare होगा as per the final account like trading account, PL account, last day balance sheet shows the position of the business account. The same thing in partnership firm also prepare the balance sheet. Clear? That balance sheet shows the position of the partnership firm. Clear? So, we will just start our calculation of new profit sharing ratio. How we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio? Then how we will prepare the revaluation account? How we will prepare the partners capital account and balance sheet? First of all, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Just you say calculation of new or profit sharing ratio or profit sharing ratio. Here you see, suppose A is to B started the business according to their agreement basis 3:2 ratio. Any profit arise in future or loss will be arise, that would be bear or taken by profit, this ratio means 3:2 ratio. Clear? Suppose here 5,000 profit, that will be distributed among the A and B 3:2 ratio, means A will get how much? 3/5 into 5,000, that is 3,000. Okay? And same thing B will get how much? That is 2/5 into 5,000, that is 2,000. Clear? And this type of distribution will be made among the partner. When profit will be generated, that will be distributed according to their agreed ratio, that is means 3:2, and 3:2 basis, suppose profit is here 5,000, that will be distributed A and B according to their agreed ratio, means 3/5. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts will be given to A, and out of 5 parts, 2 parts will be given to B. Then 3/5 into 5,000, that is 3,000, and B also get that 2/5 into 5,000, that is 2,000. Clear? This basis the profit sharing ratio will be distributed. If somebody else join with them, देखो A is to B equal to 3:2 ratio था, C join 1/4 share, means out of these shares they all partners will give or sacrifice something part of a profit or loss to the new admitting partner. Here C join 1/4 share, means suppose future में profit होगा 1, it's a 1/4 share taken by C. The remaining part कितना रहेगा? That is 1/4 equal to 3/4. Then 3/4, this 3/4 remaining part will be distributed by A is to be their old ratio में. देखो 3 A will get how much as share? How much? Now 3/4 the remaining part, here A will get previous ratio 3/5, that is 9/20. Clear? A got this much out of 3/4 share. 3/4 is which one? Now this one is the remaining part of the profit, and 1/4 profit is taken by the who? New partner, means C. Remaining the 3/4 share, that will be distributed among A and B as per their old ratio, that is 3/4 into 3/5 equal to 9/20. Same thing as B will get how much? That is 3/4 into 2/5, that is 6/20. देखो ये 9/20 A got, then 6/20 B got, but now C, he is here, C is 1/4 share, then 1/4 share here denominator is C, A and B, that is 20/20. ये 20 equal करने के लिए we can multiply here 1/4 into 5/5, that is your 5/20. Clear? हो गया, denominator equal 20, 20, 20. Now new ratio of A is to B is to C equal to, that is how much? 9/20 is to 6/20 is to इसका 5/20. So new ratio you can write 9:6 is to 5. देखो 20, 20, 20 equal, कट कर दीजिए. Ratio is your 9:6. This one which ratio? That is a new ratio. Means after joining C, If any profit or loss arise in the future, that will be distributed among A is to B, which ratio? 9 is to 6 is 5. This one is the agreement. According to this agreement, in future, any profit or loss will be arise, that will be distributed among A is to B, 9 is to 6. This one is new ratio. Clear? Clear? This one is the new ratio. How much? Now 9 is to 6. Old ratio is here. How much? Here 3 is to 2 ratio. Now we will see how much sacrifice by the old partner to the new partner. We know that the old ratio of A is to B, that is 3 is to 2 ratio. But A is to B is to C. After C join, ratio was 9 is to 6 is to 5. You see, this one is a new ratio. This one is old ratio, A is to B. But new ratio is A is to B is to C. That is 9 is to 6 to 5. This one is old ratio. Now, sacrifices. Who sacrifices? The old partner sacrifices to the new partner. How much? Then that will be calculated in this process. You see, sacrificing ratio. Formula is your old ratio minus new ratio. Clear? This one is sacrificing ratio, old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio how much? A ka 3 by 5, B ka 2 by 5. But now new ratio is here 9 by 20, 6 by 20 and 5 by 20. This one is new ratio, this one is old ratio. So formula is your sacrifices. Who sacrifices? Means old partner sacrifices to the new partner. Who is the old partner? Now A and B. The A sacrifices how much? We can identify here old ratio A ka minus new ratio A ka. We can easily identify that how much sacrifices A to C. Here you can calculate here, that is your old ratio tha A ka. A's sacrificing ratio how much? How can we calculate here? You see, old ratio tha A ka 3 by 5. Clear? 3 by 5 minus न्यू रेशियो ए का कितना है? देखो 9 by 20. Then you calculate here. Here LCM is 20. Then 20 divided by 5, that is 4 into 12. Here 12 minus. You see 12 minus ये 9 है. Equal to how much? That is 3 by 20. A का sacrifices. Clear? Here A is 3 by 5. These are old ratio and this one is here new ratio. But A sacrifice how much? Here 3 by 20. Clear? Same thing as you can calculate B also. B sacrifice ratio how much? B sacrifices ratio how much? Here B पहले था 2 by 5 minus now B got 6 by 6 by 20. Then calculate here. LCM is here 20. Then 5 for 4 into 8 minus that is 6 equal to 2 by 20. Clear? A sacrifices how much and B sacrifices how much? Here A sacrifices previously कितना था? That is 3 by 20 A का and B का equal to 2 by 20. Here sacrifice ratio A is to B equal to कितना है? That is 3 is to 2. बस वही sacrifice ratio में distribution होगा in future. Any C after joining C, A and B both sacrifices 3 is to 2 ratio. Means out of their total profit से they sacrifices 3 is to 2 ratio. Clear? And C got that is 1/4 share. Okay? This one is the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. After calculation of new profit sharing ratio, then we will prepare that their revaluation account. You see the revaluation account, how we can prepare the revaluation account. Revaluation account पे assets and liability that's new value will be calculated. Revaluation account. You see revaluation account में क्या क्या पहले था वो बैलेंस शीट, ओल्ड बैलेंस शीट ए एंड बी का, ओल्ड बैलेंस शीट जितना असेट्स एंड लायबिलिटी है इसको रिवैल्यूएशन करना पड़ेगा। अभी क्या वैल्यूएशन प्रीवियसली कितना था, देन डिफरेंस अमाउंट, दैट amount will be transferred to revaluation account. Any increase value of assets or decrease value of assets or increase value of liability or decrease value of liability, that will be recorded in revaluation account में। Clear? ये revaluation account में डेबिट साइड एंड क्रेडिट साइड क्या क्या लिखना पड़ेगा। यू सी प्रीवियसली यू नो दैट डेबिट साइड क्या है, क्रेडिट साइड क्या है, ये तुम्हारा 11 स्टैंडर्ड में था। अभी जस्ट टू वर्क आउट दैट प्रॉब्लम इन रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट में क्या डेबिट साइड में क्या जाएगा, जस्ट रिमेंबर डेबिट साइड only we can write here just hints, increase value of asset liability, increase value of liability वो डेबिट साइड जाएगा। अगेन decrease value of assets वो डेबिट साइड में लिखा होगा। रिमेंबर दिस वन इज इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। एंड क्रेडिट साइड में क्या जाएगा ना, इंक्रीज वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट्स, ये क्रेडिट साइड में जाएगा। एंड बाय डिक्रीज वैल्यू ऑफ लायबिलिटी, ये भी क्रेडिट साइड में जाएगा। ठीक है। And remaining two items also extra, that is you see, that is unrecorded assets, means पहले assets record हुआ नहीं था, अभी record करना पड़ेगा, so that will be treated as increase value of assets, so debit side में जाएगा क्या, ये unrecorded assets, here unrecorded assets क्या हुआ unrecorded assets क्या, scrolling कैसे हुआ देखो, unrecorded assets also taken in revaluation account, credit side, debit side. Unrecorded assets if shown in the questions, then that will be shown in debit side or credit side, or credit side unrecorded assets this side में जाएगा, unrecorded assets। and unrecorded liability here डेबिट साइड में, ऑन रिकॉर्डेड लायबिलिटी ये दिस साइड में जाएगा। क्लियर? क्या क्या जाएगा रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, रिमेंबर दैट इज अनरिकॉर्डेड एसेट्स जो हुआ पहले शो नहीं किया था, अभी शो किया तो दैट विल बी बेनिफिट फॉर द फर्म, सो दैट विल रिकॉर्डेड इन क्रेडिट साइड। बट अनरिकॉर्डेड लायबिलिटी सडनली एक लायबिलिटी शो किया, इनको पेमेंट करना पड़ेगा, सो दैट विल बी शोन इन रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट डेबिट साइड। देन रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट को बैलेंस करना पड़ेगा। देखो वो बैलेंस करने के बाद जो बैलेंस फिगर आएगा दैट विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एमंग द ओल्ड पार्टनर अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ओल्ड रेशियो। यू सी सपोज ये क्रेडिट साइड में टोटल इज 5000, सपोज टोटल 5000 हियर, एंड दिस साइड इज टोटल 4000। देखो दिस वन इज 5000, क्लियर, टोटल वैल्यू इज हियर 5000 क्रेडिट साइड एंड डेबिट साइड इज इधर 4000, बट 1000 तो डिफरेंस है, दैट इज ए प्रॉफिट फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और फार्म, क्लियर, दैट विल बी शोन इन डेबिट साइड। हियर प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर टू कैपिटल अकाउंट, किसको, A/B, दैट इज 3:2 रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होगा। 1000 को 3:2 रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर दीजिए, दैट इज 600 आएगा A का एंड 400 आएगा B का। हियर हो गया बोथ साइड इक्वल, 5000। ये जो प्रॉफिट निकला A का एंड B का दैट विल बी ट्रांसफर टू कैपिटल अकाउंट। ये रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट बैलेंस फिगर जो आएगा इनको ट्रांसफर करना पड़ेगा कहाँ ना, कैपिटल अकाउंट ऑफ A एंड B। रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट के बाद पहले बताता है कैलकुलेशन न्यू प्रॉफिट रेशियो, सेकंड वन इज रिवैल्यूएशन, वो रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट जो रिजल्ट आएगा दैट विल बी ट्रांसफर टू कैपिटल अकाउंट ऑफ द पार्टनर। Now we can prepare the capital account. This one revaluation account clear. Revaluation account will be prepared to know the increase or decrease value of assets. If increase value of assets, then that will be credited, credit side of the revaluation account, and decrease value of liability, that will be recorded in debit side of revaluation account, and unrecorded assets, that will be recorded in credit side of revaluation account, and unrecorded liability, that will be recorded in debit side of revaluation account. And after balance, if any surplus or deficits are there, or profit or loss, that will be transferred to capital account of each partner, means old partner capital ratio or any agreed ratio में distribution हो जाएगा. That balance will be transferred where? Not to capital account. Now we will prepare the capital account, because we had prepared various type of accounts procedure in partnership for admission, retirement, death or dissolution पे. Now we will prepare here, क्या था पहले है new profit sharing ratio. Second step is your revaluation account. Third is now that is capital account. Your capital account कैसे prepare करना पड़ेगा? देखो partners capital account open करना पड़ेगा. Clear? Suppose here two partners continue their business. Clear? Here capital account. Clear? A का B, A and B. Clear? Here particulars. Clear? ये capital account में A and B and B both they have started their business with their agreed ratio. Then you see how this capital account will be prepared. In partnership, two partners are there. Initial stage they have invested certain capital, that will be shown first credit side of capital account. You can write here credit side of capital account, you can write here by balance brought down. Clear? Here you write इसका A का capital, here B का capital. ठीक है? जितना capital they have invested पहले, that will be shown in credit side of capital account. Clear? Then other item also transferred to capital account. What are the things will be transferred to credit side of capital account and debit side of capital account? Means any types of benefit given by the partnership firm to the partner, that will be transferred to credit side of partners capital account. क्या क्या बेनिफिट है? ये सैलरी मिलेगा, बोनस भी मिलेगा, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल भी मिलेगा as per the agreed ratio, or any types of benefit given to the partnership firm to the partners. Clear? पार्टनर्स को जितना बेनिफिट मिला इनको क्रेडिट साइड में लिखना होगा. जस्ट फंडामेंटल, जस्ट दिस वन रिमेंबर, देन हाउ विल प्रिपेयर द कैपिटल अकाउंट. हियर पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म में पार्टनर्स को जितना बेनिफिट मिला इनको रिकॉर्ड्स करना पड़ेगा क्रेडिट साइड में कैपिटल अकाउंट. क्या लिखा होगा ना? बाई सैलरी लिखा होगा इतना, बाई रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट प्रॉफिट जो निकला था इसको भी ट्रांसफर करना पड़ेगा. देन बाई इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इसको भी लिखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये पार्टनर्स का बेनिफिट है. क्लियर? बाई पीएल अकाउंट जो प्रॉफिट आएगा, क्लियर, इसको भी लिखना पड़ेगा, ट्रांसफर करना पड़ेगा कैपिटल अकाउंट. बट डेबिट साइड में लिखा होगा जितना बेनिफिट partnership firm will get from the partners, that will be taken to debit side of capital account. Here you write to क्या क्या देखो to ड्राइंग्स जाएगा डेबिट साइड में, to इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स ये भी जाएगा, ठीक है, और एनी टाइप्स ऑफ benefits given by the partners to the partnership firm, that will be recorded to debit side. Yeah. Then ये पार्टनरशिप अकाउंट को बैलेंस करना पड़ेगा एट द एंड। जितना अमाउंट डेबिट साइड है उसको लिख दीजिए, टोटल कर दीजिए बस। देन क्रेडिट साइड टोटल अमाउंट लेस कर दीजिए डेबिट अमाउंट। डिफरेंस जो अमाउंट होगा इसको लिखना पड़ेगा, दैट इज क्या, कैपिटल अकाउंट बैलेंस, बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन, ट्रांसफर टू कैपिटल अकाउंट, ये टू बैलेंस शीट। ठीक है, ट्रांसफर टू कैपिटल अकाउंट कितना है, दिस मच। देखो कैपिटल अकाउंट इतना आइटम पड़ेगा क्रेडिट साइड में। क्या क्या जाएगा, पहले जो इन्वेस्टमेंट किया था पार्टनर्स दैट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड क्रेडिट साइड, मींस बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन। और जो जो बेनिफिट पार्टनरशिप फार्म से पार्टनर को मिलेगा दैट विल बी ट्रीटेड इन क्रेडिट साइड इन कैपिटल अकाउंट, दैट इज सैलरी मिलेगा, रिवैल्यूएशन प्रॉफिट जो था पहले इसको ट्रांसफर करो, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इनको भी ट्रांसफर करो, देन पीएल अकाउंट जो प्रॉफिट पहले था लास्ट साल वो जो प्रॉफिट इनको भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर लो, ये सब का बेनिफिट ही पार्टनर्स को मिलेगा। सो रिकॉर्डेड इन क्रेडिट साइड, बट पार्टनर गिवन टू द पार्टनरशिप फर्म क्या क्या, और पहले तो ड्राइंग्स किया था, ये पार्टनरशिप फर्म जितना कैपिटल था ये पहले विड्रॉ कर लिया, सो दैट विल बी डेबिट साइड, कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू ड्राइंग्स अकाउंट है। और इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग भी देना पड़ेगा कि कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग, क्लियर। देन एनी अदर पेनाल्टी वगैरह वगैरह चार्जेस कुछ आएगा तो दैट विल बी शोन डेबिट साइड ऑफ कैपिटल अकाउंट, क्लियर। देन बैलेंस शीट, बस इसका बाद बैलेंस शीट, यू नो दैट बैलेंस शीट इज द पोजीशन स्टेटमेंट, ऑल ट्रांजैक्शंस एसेट्स एंड लायबिलिटीज विल बी शोन। बैलेंस शीट इजीली यू कैन कैलकुलेट, ये कैपिटल सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, रिवैल्यूएशन का इंपॉर्टेंट है, कैलकुलेशन यू प्रोसीड। दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू फॉर अकाउंट साइंस।